Good morning, vlog. I am just getting ready to head over to a local cafe. I've got some work that I want to do. I want to edit some of this vlog, and there's a second vlog I want to work on as well. So on my morning walk today, was hit with a brilliant idea that I'm going to be spending most of my time at the cafe working on. I don't really want to talk about it yet because this is a long-term goal. It is going to take me a couple years to do what I'm thinking of, so I think it's better to kind of keep it to myself. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on. I'll probably get a flat white. That's so annoying in the background. I'm just gonna get my coat on, pack my bag, and then we will head out. My outfit today is so basic. It's so simple because I don't really care. And because I also need to do laundry when I get back. I just have on my white shoes, of course, these little casual Vietnamese brand shorts, and then just a, t-shirt.
With this instead of coffee, I feel like my stomach feels better and I'm not as anxious starting off with tea in the morning. I won't eat that.
Today is the 20th of February. We have about 5 more days. 5 more days left in Vietnam. I'm a little bit nervous to fly, to be honest, because there's been a lot of issues with flights. Even just in Toronto recently, there was a crash. Plane flipped. I think 2 days ago this happened, 2 or 3 days ago. I'm a little nervous. I've got quite a few flights coming up over the next month. I'm taking at least 4 or 5 flights. So I'm a little scared, but yeah, just hope for the best, I guess. I'm getting ready to head on over to the same cafe. I want to work a little bit more on the vlog and then maybe a little bit more on the fun side project that I thought of the other day, but mainly going to be working on my vlog today. Get a flat white while I'm there too. So let's go. Hi, I'm back. I just got back home. I'm gonna make myself something to eat for lunch, And then after that, I think I want to go to District 2 to go to the Eat Mart. Really want to try, for one, Dubai chocolate. And they have a Dubai chocolate there that's only 39,000 dong. So it's so cheap. It's less than $2. And then I'm gonna pick up a couple ingredients because I think I'm gonna make a miso ramen tonight for dinner. I think I'm going to make a pasta dish. And I just bought a little piece of bread. I'm really just using the stuff that I have left over in my fridge. So I have some garlic. I have this tomato. I have this tomato paste. Some rosemary in there too. There's a bunch of random stuff. A little thing of butter for my bread. And I'm just gonna put you on my tripod. After that, I'll probably chill for, I don't know, maybe an hour or half hour, and then head on over to Eat Mart. Yeah. We are wearing for the outfit of the day. Super simple, basic. I'm gonna change before I go to Eat Mart, of course. I don't wanna try to get onto the scooter wearing a skirt. I'm actually gonna tie this, I think. I also put my hair up because it's kind of hot and sticky right now with my new clip I bought at the night market the other day. I hope that's showing. I really don't know how to get things to focus. Washed my hair this morning and just blow dried it, and then flat ironed it. Pull a little bit out in front so that I don't look like an egg. And let's go. Okay. Hopefully the camera's not too bad. That was creepy. I don't know why I was holding the knife like that. I apologize. Maybe I'll make it spicy. I've got like a chili packet. Chili packet in there. Some celery. I have some rosemary, cabbage. I have my meat defrosted. It's just some pork neck. I think, yeah, pork neck. Celery here lasts a really long time. Like, if you know back home, I feel like our celery starts going so soft, like really quickly. The celery here, this is still hard. Just got back from the grocery store. It's around 5:30 p.m. I didn't want to buy too many things that I'm not going to end up using up or that I have to pack with me to go. So I got some seaweed and I got 2 packets of ramen. If I'm being honest, I'm still really full from my lunch. So I'm probably not gonna have dinner, or if I do have dinner, it's gonna be super small. I wanted to make French toast. I was thinking to myself, I didn't think about the fact that I don't have maple syrup. My thing is, if I'm gonna make something, I'm not half-assing it. Like, I'm gonna go and do the full proper way. You can't. There's certain things I'll substitute. I can't substitute maple syrup. It's honestly, that's my one hard thing. I don't know if it's the Canadian in me, I don't know what, but do not give me anything that should have maple syrup with like honey or pancake syrup. It's the one thing that just, I'm very snobbish about my maple syrup. I'll admit that. It's the only thing I'm snobbish about. So I did in fact buy a thing of maple syrup just for one breakfast, yes. So I guess I'll be taking this home. And then of course, if you're making French toast, you have to have eggs. And I'm also gonna use this for the ramen as well. I just got some tofu, for some added protein, and some mushrooms for some vegetables in there. And then I got 2 special treats for myself. Oh, I also bought this little thing of sesame oil. I'm like still so full from lunch, but I really want to try this chocolate. I got the Dubai chocolate. And then I also got, I haven't seen this before at E-Mart. It's a Korean snack. I believe it's called tanggul. Tanggul. It's like the candy, the sugar-coated fruit on a stick. And I really do like these. So I got this as well. I'm not gonna lie, I really only got this for the video. I didn't need it. Ooh. It looks so good. Ooh. Excuse me, by the way. I know that was really gross. You guys know I love food. I'm just gonna try one of the strawberries and then put it away. I'll try to be nicer when I eat this one. Oh, this is my hair. Ew. It's all in my hair. I just washed it today. One thing about me, I hate being sticky. It's kind of the one thing that I took from my childhood. I used to hate when I would get syrup on my hands, like it would make my skin crawl, and it still does. Try this bad boy. Whoa. Oh. And it's like hollow sounding inside too. It smells so good too. It smells like a wafer. Yeah, it smells like wafer. It like, taste of it really reminds me of something that I've had before. Ferrero Rocher, or maybe even like a Kit Kat. Things that all have wafer inside of it, actually, now that I think about it. It's good.